Hey travelers, it's the OCD Traveler, and one of my favorite companies to work with, PacSafe, sent me this. This is their EXP45. It's a 45-liter anti-theft travel backpack. Let's see if you need to own this or not. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, I've worked with PacSafe previously. They're not sponsoring today's video, but they did send me the bag and told me to test it out. This isn't my first review for PacSafe, so I'll list two above. I reviewed both their Vibe 150 crossbody as well as their Vibe 22-liter commuter backpack. But today's backpack is a little bit different. It's perfect for a 3 to 5 day trip, so I plan on taking this with my daughter to Europe later this year. So as always, listed below, I'll put the chapters for today, so you can skip ahead if you'd like to. But here's what we'll do. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna review the features and specifications of the EXP45. We'll check the fit, how well, the comfort, and then we'll pack it up and rate it on a 5-point scale to include style, design, ease of use, practicality, and cost. We'll add all of those together and divide by 5 to get you an overall score. So here we go. Here's a simple 10-second unboxing. I'm not sure why it's in like stop motion, so I apologize, but it's 100% recycled plastic, which is a big part of the environmental cause that PacSafe supports. And on to the features. I love how PacSafe includes these bag feature cards. Not sure why I'm showing it to you sideways, but this is the 45-liter travel backpack. There's a bag overview. It's going to give some of the security features. And as you move on, next up will be the dimensions. This bag's going to be 22 by 13 by 8 inches, 45 liters overall. You can see some use and care information, how to clean it up. They're environmental friendly features, so they do use recycled water bottles as well as recycled nets. Then it details the splash-proof exo-mesh. This is reinforced wire backing of the fabric. The RFID pocket, so scammers can't use scanners to get your personal information. The pop and lock feature, this allows it to be tied down to furniture. And then the deluxe rhubarb locking system, which protects your zipper from thieves. All right, as we continue our walk through the bag, the addition of this front grab handle basically turns this into, I don't know, almost a duffel bag. So you'll have that front. You also have one on top and one on the side. So it's very easy to carry, even if you're not using the straps. You can see the side's going to have a nice water pocket with this tie down. And all the tie downs have those elastic sleeves that you can put over to keep all of the straps nice and organized. Straps are very good condition. Nice breathable cushioning as well. And then here's a look at that side or suitcase handle. Next, we'll show you the patented Rhubarb Deluxe locking system. The zippers are hidden under this clasping panel, and then there's a nice little mesh area for a business card. And the first step will be to click that locking mechanism backwards and then slide the sheath out. Then you can push the zipper mounts away from that little bracket, and then you'll notice that the zippers will move, but they are still connected until you slide them apart. About a 4-step process for a thief to get into your bag. Takes a little bit of learning, but once you have it down, you will be amazed at how revolutionary this is to keeping your zipper and your bag secure. The Rhubarb Deluxe locking system. All right, so this front piece is really going to be your grab and go type of pocket. As I fold it down, you can see there are a bunch of different partition bags. And this last one I'll point out over here on the left, that's the RFID pocket. And then this nice zippered mesh pocket, it's going to have a lanyard as well that's integrated, so you can put your car keys on there, zip it up and make sure they don't fall out. Big enough for a laptop or even an iPad, and a lot of other accessories as well. And then next up, we will get into the main luggage compartment. So this opens just like a suitcase. You can see it's got about 4 inches of space. It's got a nice zippered pocket over here so you can stack up shirts, dirty laundry, whatever you'd like. And then on the other side, I'd throw in some compression packing cubes, and then you can tie this down with this adjustable compression strap. And there it is. That's the inside of the PacSafe 45 EXP. All right, now let's see how it carries, featuring me, your lovely dad bod having model. You can see the chest strap is fully adjustable. That's going to go up and down about 6 to 8 inches. Every pull strap that is featured on PacSafe has a nice elastic sleeve to keep everything organized. The waist belt is super comfortable as well, very adjustable, and it's got hip plates. That is elastic, the chest plate I should have mentioned. There's a side profile shot. There's a look at the back. Sharp looking bag, gray on gray on gray. Hey, that's what I do all day long. But I'll take this off just to show you how easy it is to come off, and then some of those additional handles besides the straps. You've got that top handle. You've got another top handle that's going to be a little bit more robust. And then you'll have a side handle that you would carry almost like a suitcase. And then the top duffel type handle, which is a unique add to the new EXP45. Let's pack the bag. I've got 3 days worth of clothes, a pair of shoes, an iPad, toiletry kit, my passport, some charging mechanisms. Let's speed this up and show you how easy it is to pack. This would easily hold 5 days worth of clothes. And faster yet, let's get our passports. Let's put those in the RFID pocket. Next, my key fob will go on that integrated lanyard, as well as my travel charging system. I'll put that into that zippered mesh pocket. And then rounding out this front pocket, let's grab these AirPods. We'll stick those in here along with my normal size iPad, and we're done for the front pocket. And then I have 3 t-shirts that I'm going to stack in this zippered mesh pocket that I'm not showing especially well, but plenty of space to compress some additional t-shirts if I wanted to. And then I'll get into the main compartment. So there's 2 pairs of pants, 2 dress shirts, putting my underwear and my socks into that pair of shoes. And then I will stick those in there, being careful not to get the rest of my clean clothes dirty. And then I'll put my toiletry kit in between, stack some more clothes, and then get this compression strap over the top and zip it all up. There you go. 3 days worth of clothes, packed quickly in the EXP45. Now, one thing I didn't show you is the backpack's pop and lock feature. So I'm going to take the bag out to my truck. There it is. And I'm going to detach the strap. I'm going to feed it in that little stainless steel loop, this tie-down strap. Now, I apologize for this terrible video, but I was doing this one-handed, so I popped up that stainless steel ring. I'm feeding the pop and lock strap through there, and then I'll feed it back into the backpack, and then let me hold it right here. That, in effect, is the pop and lock system, a detachable backpack strap that you can wrap around something that's stationary, put it back through, turn it to lock it, and then if you wanted to, you can even put an additional lock through it so somebody can't grab your bag and run away with it. Completely perfect for like European train travel, for example. Or to tie to a shopping cart if you're at a grocery store but you can't grab that bag and run away. But enough about the bag features, let's get on to the product review. All right, well, there you go. That's a pretty awesome bag from PacSafe. Hey, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. Tell me in the comment section below what you think. Would you buy this bag? And if you're interested in buying your own PacSafe bag, please do me a favor. Use the link in the top pinned comment or in the description below. I'll list any promo codes that they have active going on right now on PacSafe.com. I should also mention most of their bags are available through Amazon, but it's still going to be fulfilled through PacSafe, so I recommend you go directly to the manufacturer. But hey, let's go ahead and rate this bag on a 5-point scale, starting with style. All right, from a style perspective, I thought this was a very good looking bag. I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5. I had it in gray. It's also available in black. Moving on to design, 5.0. I just continue to be impressed with what PacSafe comes up with next. From being able to strap this down to making sure no one can tamper with your zippers, 5 out of 5 for design. All right, for ease of use, I gave ease of use a 4.2. There's always a learning curve with PacSafe, and the other thing that threw me off is that little lock mechanism over the rhubar system. It was super tight, so it definitely has to be worked in, but 4.2 from an easy use standpoint. Practicality, super practical bag. The only thing it has missing in my mind is some sort of an exterior pocket where you can quickly access something like your passport. But again, that's to keep it anti-theft. So from a practicality standpoint, I gave it a 4.5. Finally, for cost, I'm going to go ahead and give this a 4.5. So the bag's going to run you $289.95. There should be promotional codes. They usually run about a 10% promotional code. Again, use the link in the top pinned comment or the description. I'll include any active promo codes. So 4.5, that's pretty much the going rate for a good travel backpack that's 45 liters. And this is especially feature rich. So I think you get a pretty decent value overall. And as I've said in some of my previous PacSafe videos, if it works one time, it's worth its weight in gold because you don't have to worry about passports or missed assets or anything like that. So do I recommend it? I recommend it. So add all of those together, that gives you 22.7. Divide it by 5 and you'll end up with a 4.54. Let's call it a 4.5. On PacSafe's website, it does call it a 4.8, so I rated it just a little bit lower, but look, I highly recommend it. But what do you think? Again, tell me in the comments section below. Use those links, hit like and subscribe, but in the meantime, I am the OCD Traveler reminding you to plan, travel, and repeat. Take care, everybody.